trash just got caught up in that guy's wheel and he had to stop.
Oh. No, McDonald's. Not
McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Gonna be late.
It is day 3 and we are going to Tiananmen today. We had a little bit of orientation.
Oh wow.
Hello.
It's too close.
Yeah. Emerson. Hi. Hi. We're getting food. What the hell?
Nice. I want to take a picture of it.
Alright, who wants a bite? You eat the tail?
How do you eat that?
Show me.
It looks like a cockroach. Yeah, it tastes like burnt bacon. It's not bad.
We're gross.
Try it.
I gotta eat the goddamn wings. Oh, but I don't want to bite its head off. I want to eat the whole thing at once.
Yeah, eat the whole thing.
God damn it. Crushed. The whole thing crushed. God damn, dude, it's looking at me.
So nasty.
Oh wait, did you eat it?
I ate the head.
No, I can't zoom in, damn it. Alright, friends, everybody get on.
3 socks.
This is what happens when 12 kids get on.
Is that so?
Good morning. We are very tired. I think the plan today is just to go to Ikea. Yesterday we went to the Forbidden Palace and we walked 13 miles total, the two of us, because because we walked from the front gate to the back gate, and then early in the morning we walked to the supermarket by ourselves. So we did a lot of walking. Today I got breakfast. I don't know, this is like pork buns. This was like $2, so less than 50 cents, and then we got some soy milk, hot soy milk. I think the plan is just to go to Ikea, and then after that, before that we're gonna go to the bank, and I might have to get a new phone. So right now we just opened up our bank accounts. It was really cool. It was less painful than I thought it was gonna be, and also I managed to exchange some cash, and it didn't take as long as I did, or I thought I did. So it was really cool. And I think right now, if we have enough time, we're just gonna go straight up get our phones. It sucks, but they're like $200, $300. So honestly, this Wi-Fi situation is so dumb. I'm just gonna get it, and then we're off to Ikea. So yay. This is so packed resting on the furniture.
Every place is just this like station to stop.
What's happening?
Nice. There's
Ooh,
kids
yeah?
sleeping over there. Everyone's just taking naps. It's a good place.
Oh, let's got tired.
Somebody lead the way.
Oh shit, we're buying. Oh god. Cow Demon King milk tea.
That's probably the fastest you can go.
It's like inside the mall.
Alright, so I know I haven't vlogged in a couple of days, but update, I've like lost my voice. I don't really know how. It might just be because I've been talking every single day. But overall, I'm fine. It's very cold. It's been getting a little bit warmer every single day, so thank God. We just got back from our Ikea trip, and I have a very large shopping bag. Very large. Got a lot of things. Also, this is shopping for some people, so there's that. I got a new phone. I don't know if you can see it. It's Huawei, and it was like $200. Yeah, right now I'm walking back to my dorm. It's been a very productive day so far. I've been awake every day at 7 a.m. Don't really know why, but I just can't fall asleep. Yeah, it's been a very good few days. I feel very comfortable, but my Chinese skills is not as good as I thought, which is a good thing because I'm surrounded with people who like speak even better Mandarin than me, and it really helps me put my like skills into perspective and see how much further I can advance. Whereas back at SC, the classes I felt like were a little bit too easy for me, and it's not like I wasn't challenged, but it's still I was like I wish I could push myself and be more advanced. So being out here where I could barely understand what anyone was saying, it's been good. It's good practice. Man, it's very cold. What else have I been up to? So far, I'm loving the city. It's been so much fun. There's so many malls, and like, yes, even though there are American brands, there are still really cool like toy brands and like mini-sews all over the place. I got a mini-sew backpack, but it's broken already. Like the strap came off, so I had to sew it back on, and on top of that, the zipper is falling off now, which is pissing me off a little bit. I think it might be because it's Chinese quality, but I don't know what else. This is gonna come shaky AF, man. Yeah, so I'll be back in the dorm for a while, in a bit. I think it's like 7 p.m. here, and classes don't start for me. That was loud. Classes don't start for me until Wednesday, so I do have a lot of time to myself. Just hanging out, walking in the right direction. I think I'm in the right direction. I don't think I'm in the right direction. I think I fucked up.